Mr. Shajaullah Khan, a law graduate and human rights activist from Hyderabad. You have been involved in association of, in fact, some human rights activists in Hyderabad, and you have been helping many youths who have been picked up from Hyderabad in terror cases in the last 7-8 years. You have provided them your legal assistance. I am Umtaram Flahi, 2success.net New Delhi correspondent. Mr. Shajaullah Khan, tell us about your activities and why you decided to help, to extend your help to those youth from Hyderabad who have been picked up in different terror cases.
Actually, I am from All India Majlis Ittihadul Muslimin, which is a political party in Andhra Pradesh. In those days, our President Alhaj Sultan Salahuddin Owaisi Sahab took this basic objective that some nearly 17 youths, one by one, were picked from Hyderabad and Nalgonda and were brought to Ahmedabad in Gujarat in regard of some quota cases, particularly the murder case of the ex-minister of Gujarat, Harin Pandya, and some other terrorist activities like cases, or these severe allegations were there on them. And in that regard, some youths were picked one by one from Hyderabad and Nalgonda, and our president in those days, Marhum Alhaj Sultan Salahuddin Owaisi Sahab, Marhum, decided to help them in legal ways to get back them from the jails and to pursue their cases in Ahmedabad. So, on his instructions, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi, now President of All India Majlis Ittihadul Muslimin and Member of Parliament representing Hyderabad constituency in Lok Sabha, on his instructions, I was deputed to look after the matters and appoint advocates and help in all legal ways. Ours is a political party which is also very much active in activities like human rights.
Mr. Shajaullah Khan, how many such youths you have helped in their release from the jails, extending your legal assistance and legal help to those youths, as well as your help to their families, victim families? How many such youths and such families you have helped so far?
There were around 17 who were picked from Hyderabad and Nalgonda. Out of them, 5 were financially well established and they were looking after their own matters in some way or other. And for remaining, were from very poor background. And for them, All India Majlis Ittihadul Muslimin extended their legal and financial assistance in Gujarat for those youths who were detained in jail, and financial assistance to their families who lost their bread earners and whose bread earners were lodged in jail in the severe allegations. They were around 12.
In the last few months, several such youths have been acquitted from Gujarat jail. They include Maulana Nasiruddin and some other youths. How many such youths are still languishing in other jails in Gujarat or Madhya Pradesh in terror cases?
From our Hyderabad, there are around 5 youths, 4 youths in Ahmedabad, and 5 or 7 in Ahmedabad in various cases. Recently, one Shaugatullah Wari, Khari Shaugatullah Wari, was picked from Hyderabad airport and was brought to Gujarat Sabarmati jail in connection with this Akshardham Mandir attack case. And one son of Maulana Nasiruddin has been charged in some serial blast in Ahmedabad, and another of his son is in Indore jail of Madhya Pradesh. And several youths from one from Nizamabad is in Karnataka jail, and several of Aurangabad and Malegaon and Jalna are in Maharashtra, various jails in Maharashtra in connection with all this matters of activities. And recently I came to hear that some youths have been picked from Uttar Pradesh and has been lodged in Tihar jail, and there are various there is a numerous, we could not count how many youths are still there in jail.
Last question, why do you think Muslim youth have been picked from Hyderabad? Are all those people innocent, or you can say that one or two of them might have been involved in some kind of anti-national or terror activities?
See, basically, most of the youths have been acquitted, as they have not been involved in these cases, but still there are some cases where conviction has been made. But again, there is a doubt in the justice system, the system of justice in our India, and more particularly in Gujarat and Delhi, that there is several doubts have been raised by these human rights activities and many more senior advocates that there was not complete justice in this regard, in regard of conviction of those youths. And directly we could not say that who is involved and who is not involved, but there may be some, I could not say directly, there may be some doubt, because a lot of injustice has been done already to particularly to the Muslim community.
Okay, what have you or your party has done for rehabilitation of those youth who have been acquitted of all terror cases and they have been found innocent?
Whoever have approached us, and more particularly after Makkah, there was a bomb blast in Hyderabad, in Lumbini Park and Makkah Masjid and Gokul Chaat Bhanda. Some 18 youths were picked from various parts of Hyderabad, and they were charged of some offences, and they were acquitted by this legal process. To rehabilitate them, we have extended loans, we have helped them in procuring loans, and they are doing very well nowadays, running their own businesses some way or other.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.